welcome back to my channel. This is just a random video. I got flooded in and I wanted to record. I couldn't go nowhere, so I decided to record. I think I'm gonna start this thing where it's called a chill and glam session, where I just do my makeup whether I have to go somewhere or not. 9 times out of 10 I probably won't be going nowhere. I'll just be basically getting cute just to record. So I hope you guys like it.
Look like shit, guys, knocking down her door.
That's cute. No, I might change this to a side part because this is really thin and I don't like that. Yep, side part. Sorry. Fluff that. I'll fix that later. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get a thumbnail of it, right? It's only right. Hit it with the wax stick because I already did that off camera when it was on the wig stand. So I don't know, guys, I like it. And this is synthetic hair. This hair is a year old. If it's not a year old yet, it's about to hit a year old because it was quarantine and I was like, even though I'm not going anywhere, let me go ahead and just buy a synthetic wig. Why not, right? spent a lot of time on this eyeshadow makeup. Lord, please. 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 Touch and agree with me. Lord, please. Just say, Lord, please. Touch and agree with me, please. Can't tell me prayer don't work. I'm surprised my lights are still on. Thank God. I'm not being ungrateful. I'm not being ungrateful. Please don't make these lights go off. But it's really bad outside. Really bad. Alright guys, this is about the end of the video. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be trying different hairstyles and makeup looks with these sessions, but I hope you like it, and I'll see you later.